Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start me a new channel. It's gonna be called the Small Arsenal Defense. Don't tread on me channel. Me and my son gonna start us a channel. And my lady too. Sandy. Got my new birthday present in. Here it is. M&P Sport 2. It's got the dust cover. Here's the logo. M&P 15. It's got the forward assist. It comes with a 30 round P mag, the mag pool. It's got the regular AR style stock on it. I'm eventually probably gonna change it out sometime, but I kind of like it though. It's kind of small, it's tiny, and it fits my finger. That little divot fits my finger just perfect right in there like that. So I might hold on to that one for a while. I kind of like it. Okay. I'm most definitely gonna change this CRT stock mag food. Change that out. For now, it'll do. You know, it all got the old six position, all that old stuff on it. But I like it real short like that. Leave it real short. Because my lady, she has, her arms are not that long. So it'll probably be better if she have to grab it and use it. It'll be just perfect for her reach. And I like it short too. It's got the old Embers Magpool sight on it, rear sight, flip up sight. I'm gonna leave that on there. I like that. That's gonna stay on there. Hollow Sun 510C coming soon. Coming pretty soon. There for rail. Okay. Mag came with a Magpool MOE handguard. Shielded on the inside. Can't see it. But it's in there. I want to get the Hawk 15-inch rail and put on it. Probably another month or two, maybe. But this is why I got it because I like this old school style sight on it. But I kind of like the rail too. I don't know if I'm gonna buy another rifle or keep this one like this, but I just might buy another one. AR. I think I'm gonna probably buy me another one with this on it, but for now I'm gonna take this off and put that 15-inch Stinger Hawk rail on it. That's fine. Leave that like that. But there it is. M&P Sport 2. Magpool. BAD coming soon too. I like that too. Flip it right here. I see what they're talking about. Have to go all the way over here to work it. Reach your boat. Slap your boat back forward. Cock your weapon rather. You cock it right here with your charge it with your charging handle here. But then when you finish the magazine out, your boat locks back, and this button over here, right there, that button right there, it cocks your weapon, slaps the boat back forward when you put your another mag in. But I see what they're talking about. It's kind of a long way to go from here to here. You have to either hand off trigger, keep your hand on trigger, pep. BAD's lever right here, snap, back, ready to go. Fire it up. There you have it, folks. M&P Sport 2. Smith& and Wesson. Just went and picked it up today. More better videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.